How to install a microwave in Kenworth T-680. First step, find the right truck. Have we found your truck yet?
We're narrowing it down. So the truck that I just put my key in that didn't turn, that's not it. We're gonna try this one now. Can you even see me?
I can see you.
Are you getting this, camera guy?
I am.
Follow me.
I know I'm just the camera guy and everything, but
Yeah.
can you explain to me how the 3 points of contact deal is going to work right now?
So I'm gonna put the tape right here, okay?
Yeah,
And then I'm gonna grab hold of very tightly, okay?
yeah.
So sure that I don't let go and fall.
Can you show me?
Yeah. Did you just look at my butt?
I did.
All right, now. See, sometimes that happens, and that's fine. You see that? 4 points of contact.
Yeah, that ass though.
Yeah.
Holy smokes.
It's the fleece pants.
How do we accomplish this little filming project and maintain social distancing?
Well, they say the camera adds 100 pounds or whatever, so how many feet does it add?
Algebra's fun.
You want to make sure you have a small glove that you can utilize at all times. It's like Survivor Man. You ever watch that show, Survivor Man? Me neither. Probably sucked. I think he drank his own pee. All right, so now you can see I'm just like OJ. Glove doesn't fit, but I'm gonna make this microwave fit, and that's how we get things done.
If the glove don't fit, the microwave will fit? Or
Yeah,
something?
that's exactly how it goes.
Oh wait, I've got to get a sufficient angle.
Is this angle sufficient?
Yes.
This glove. So now my circulation is getting cut off. That's not going to hinder my efforts, though. That's fine. We'll work through it. Because out here on the road, you're going to have obstacles and challenges. It's all about how you adapt and overcome. And so, like right now, this plug needs to be on the far side over there. And normally, I would give up. But since I'm on the road, I have to adapt and overcome because that's the only options out here.
So to clarify, if you were in any other scenario, you would just not eat.
Yeah. So now,
This
like,
would just be the end.
so if I was in this same scenario right here, and I was like at the circus, just watching like the elephants romp around or whatever they do, and I'm trying to install my microwave like that, I would just be like, you know what? It wasn't meant to be. You know, God works in mysterious ways. He didn't want me having my microwave hooked up here at the circus.
So essentially what you're saying is that right now we are defying God in order to create microwavable opportunities.
I'm not one to speak blasphemous, but once again, when you're out here on the road, it's monkey see, monkey do, okay? And that's the bottom line, because Stone Cold said so. So now, see how the fingers aren't quite all open? That you can use that, because look, now it's clamped. It's not going anywhere. And now I just simply have to reroute the wiring back to the other side. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Here we go. Ready? I was making sure you didn't see my butt right there. So, okay. Now, it appears the cord isn't as long as I thought it was.
Is the truck
What?
supposed to move this much as you're doing
No,
this?
the truck has to move so that you know that you're working hard. Okay. So now look, I got it in there, right? So I adapted. And now you just...
Can you explain what you're doing on the other side since we can't see?
Yeah, so see, you got the 3 prongs here. I call them the 3 kings.
Okay.
It's like when they were searching for Jesus in the wilderness. Remember that? Remember
Yeah.
that story when you were a kid at Sunday schools? So the 3 kings here, they're looking for the Northern Star. The Northern Star represents this guy right here, the outlet. Don't ever stick your fingers in there. You get the hell of a shock. I found that out once or twice. So now, you see the big one? That's the lead dog. Okay? We call in the biz. That's the lead dog. Ready? So he's gonna take charge in here.
I thought it was a biblical king. Now it's a dog?
Listen, things change really quick out here on the road, okay? It's all about when you see something changing, you got to react, okay? Like if I'm in my lane and I'm doing 55 miles an hour, and then my lane ends, like what am I gonna do? Just keep pretending like I'm in my lane? No. Okay? I'm gonna go find a dog, and we're gonna get in the other lane. Now, see, look, here we go. Ready? I got the one king. Okay, that king, he's lost, so I'm not worried about him anymore. We're gonna find the other two kings. Okay, we're in. Yep, I felt that. So look, microwave firmly in place, and now we just gotta close up shop here, and you get the idea. So, bottom line is, I forgot I have a toaster. And if you want to multitask while cooking, look at that. And basically, you can plug this right into any of these holes on the back of the microwave. It works just the same.
Oh, it's like a chain.
It's a chain reaction, yeah. So now you can have your microwave green beans and some good all-American French bread.
Do you think, like, obviously this isn't as straightforward as a process as people might think, plugging in a microwave in a truck?
Yeah.
Like, can you explain to me what, like, inspired you to learn how to do this correctly?
See, where I grew up, it was just you have to be a perfectionist, and you cannot half-ass anything, because if you do, that's when things go awry. And I don't know if you've ever had anything go awry, but when they go awry, they never come back unried. You know what I mean? And so, to avoid the wryness, you have to do it the right way. Okay? Are you with me?
Understood.
Thank you. So, don't ever interrupt me again, okay? And so, like for this, for example, you have to do it this way. If you don't, then who knows what could happen out here on the road. And so, that's basically it. I hope you guys learned something. I know I did. Okay? That microwave, that toaster, I'm going to be eating like a king. Maybe like 3 kings, who knows? If the dogs show up, I'll eat like a dog. So that's it. I'm definitely going to wash my hands now, because who knows what viruses are on that thing. But you guys have a blessed day.